Today I want to show you how to add an image to the course card in the Canvas dashboard. The dashboard allows you to see all courses in which you are enrolled as a teacher, student, or otherwise. By default, Canvas assigns a solid color to course cards. The owner of this course has used a stock image for their course card, and I have created a custom image for my course. I will show you how to accomplish all three options. Option 1. To change the color of a course card, navigate to the three dots and left-click. Select New Color. Hit Apply. Done. Option 2. To upload a pre-existing image, click into the course that you want to modify. On the course navigation, scroll down to the bottom and select Settings. Next, choose Image. Here, we have two choices. Find an image on our computer or find an image on Unsplash. Let's start with Unsplash. I type the word technology in the search bar and find a picture. Left-click on the picture and it will load as your course card image. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select Update Course Details. Now, when users log into the dashboard, they will see the yellow block of color with headphones. Option 3. Let's create a custom image to use as a course card image. You can use any image making software if you can save the file as a JPEG, PNG, or GIF with dimensions of 262 by 146 pixels. If those words are not super clear to you, keep watching and I'll show you how to create that custom image in Microsoft PowerPoint. For reference, I am on a Windows machine running Office 365. Start with a blank slide in PowerPoint. We need to change the dimensions of the slide. From the ribbon, click the Design tab. On the right, select Slide Size, then Custom Slide Size. We want 2.73 inches wide by 1.52 inches tall and hit OK. If presented with the next screen, click Ensure Fit. Create a custom image for Canvas, just like you would create a PowerPoint slide. I recommend you have a font that is bigger than smaller. I will insert a picture from the stock images. I type technology and then find an image that I like. This picture didn't quite fill up the entire slide, so I'm going to go ahead and stretch that out just a bit. I also want to add some text. I'll change the color to white, bold it, increase the size, and adjust the paragraph spacing. That looks good to me for the purposes of this video. Here is the most important step. We need to save this slide as a PNG or JPG instead of a PowerPoint slide. I navigate to File and select Save As. I browse for the location to save, and where it says Save As Type, I need to change it from PowerPoint presentation file to a PNG. Portable Network Graphics Format. Done. Now we have a custom image to upload. Let's write yellow block with earphones with this new graphic. Click into your course. Scroll down the course navigation and select Settings. On the course image, select the three dots and then choose Image. This time, we're going to choose Computer instead of Upsplash since we saved a custom file to our computer. Navigate to the image, hit Open, and don't forget to scroll down to the bottom and update course details. There you have it. 3 different options for your course cards: solid block of color, stock image, or custom image. Do you have a preferred course card? Do you use colors, stock photos, custom images? What are some best practice tips you can share with the rest of us? I also have some other videos on creating custom home pages for courses and a video explaining the 5 different homepage options that Canvas offers. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Suerte!